Okay, let's start our today's topic. What introduction to physics? Why physics is so important? What is actually physics? It is study of nature. What is nature, sir? Nature means how these winds are coming, how this light is coming. Now we are depending upon non-renewable sources like diesel, petrol, gas. One day they will extend, but how can I depend upon non-renewable sources like energy from the sun, nuclear energy? All these deals about science. Physics deals about it. How the sky is colorful, why the sun is red sometimes, white, why the sky is blue, what are the planets, how the water is, sand, all these things physics deals about it. Okay, so this is the importance of physics. How can I see what is physics trying to do actually with this nature? The study of nature is physics. Okay, what is physics trying to do? Physics is trying to do is trying to bring some basic laws. That we are trying to bring physics are trying to bring a basic laws on which the nature is working. Why these basic laws, sir? Already many laws are there. Why these basic laws? See, if you understand, if I say one example, you try to imagine yourself how big the universe is. Sun is there, planets are there, like that how many solar systems are there, how big our universe is, how it is working. Let's imagine sun is at the middle, earth, all the planets are revolving around the sun. Yes, I agree. How big it is? Now come to a point of atom. All of you know atom. We can't see even with our naked eye. We need a microscope. That is electronic microscope. Then how the working of atom? Any one of you please tell what is atom, structure of atom? If you remember, what is structure of? Tell me.
Will be present, sir.
Ah.
Around yes, there will be some circular orbits.
Very good.
And in orbit of electrons will be moving.
Perfectly said. Now, can you, any one of you, compare with our universe, our solar system? Please compare with our solar system.
Nucleus is sun.
Nucleus is sun. Orbit.
Electrons are planets.
Electrons are planets.
Orbits are the parts where the planets.
See, there is a simple basic law where sun is our nucleus and all the electrons we are comparing with the planets. How bigger that system is, how small a macro system, micro system, but works on the basic laws. Law of gravitation. So that is physics is trying to bring all things, everything, even including medical sciences, biomedical sciences, like our military, robotics, engineering, everything will try to bring in a basic law on which this earth, this universe is working. That is what physics is. Okay, with the basic rules which are applicable to all the domains which are applicable, that basic laws hunt is the physics. Okay, you can also observe the universe, you can also make some basic rules which are applicable to all the domains. Okay, see, one great scientist, Feynman, said how he compared, like do all of us know chess rules? Imagine for some time we don't know any rule of the chess game. Okay, no rule we know, but we allowed to watch the chess game. We are watching the chess game, but we don't know even a single rule of the chess. By watching few days, 2-3 days we watch the game, then we can understand few basic rules. Yes, if soldier is there, one step it can move, friend. Okay, few rules I can understand. Yes, can you understand or not by watching? Anyone of you? Yes, you can understand. We can understand by watching the game. Okay, after few days you are watching, one great player, excellent player has come to game and played a different way he played. You may think that this rule is wrong. I didn't see this rule till now. How he played? Is that rule is wrong? No, that rule is not wrong. We are not aware of that rule. Then from that day onwards, we will be knowing, yes, in this way also we can play the game. We may think that two players are playing. We are watching international game. Why these steps are playing? This may be a wrong steps, we may think, but by watching we can understand the game. Why I am explaining this chess game? He explained that with the chess game, like universe is also same. This nature is also like a big chess game. In this chess game, we are the viewers. Just we are viewers of this chess game. How the nature is playing the game, we have to observe. It is your duty also. Tomorrow you will also become scientist. It is your duty to observe the nature carefully, how it is playing the game and what steps it is taking. If you observe any step, you make it a note and you make it as a rule, make it as a law, that is physics, which is nothing but observing the nature and making the laws from it. Excellent. So this is what the physics is. The great scientist, how he explained, nicely he explained, with a big chess game it is, and we are the viewers. We have to observe. Every time nature plays differently. Now also playing with Corona, yes or no? So it will take time. We are observing now Corona. We started observing now this new step. Then after a few days, scientists will come up with a new solution. Yes, we can understand this step. Okay, so this is what physics is. So what you have to do, you have to observe carefully the nature and make the laws. Is that clear? Okay, then you are saying that everything is physics, everything is physics. Biomedical is also physics. Medicine is also physics. Yes, sir. I am respiring. How I respire? Internal pressure differences. I will say with physics. I am respiring means internal pressure is low. Because of the internal pressure in the lungs, pressure is low. So I grab the air from the outside. And when I grab the air inside pressure will be more, I will release the air. So physics can explain. So how it works physically I can explain. Then what is the role of maths here? What is the role of maths? In the physics, the maths is the language of the physics. Sir, what is the language, sir? What is the language? Means if you observe something, okay, I observed something, I want to make a rule. I wrote a statement. Okay, then is that statement applicable to all the things? Means in biomedical is it applicable? In medicine is it applicable? In military is it applicable? That you have to find. How? Using maths. Use the algebra, trigonometry, integration, differentiation, all your mathematics knowledge. In that language you have to express yourself. So if you find anything in the nature new, you have to express in which language? Mathematical language. So maths is important for you to learn physics, to express anything. So what is our language? Our language is maths. If your vocabulary, you are very good, you are excellent, you have very good knowledge, but your vocabulary is not good, you don't know English, can you write exam? No, we can't write exam, because we have to know the vocabulary, we have to know English, then only I can write exam. And here also in physics, you have to observe the nature. By observing it is not simply okay, by observing I can learn everything. Yes, you can understand, but how to express? Someone should identify you. Mathematics is needed. So that is what the relation between maths and the physics.